Welcome to Fortnite Creative. In this quick guide, you will learn how to resize and rotate objects in seconds. First, open your Creative phone by pressing the tilde key on PC. Pick the object you want to edit. Let's grab this tree. Click on the right mouse button to make edits to this tree. Now look at the edit toolbar. This is your key to resizing and rotating. Let's start with rotating. Press R to rotate the item clockwise, and E to rotate it counterclockwise. Now let's move on to resizing. With the item still selected, hold the right mouse button until the toolbar says Resize On. You will notice that the R and E functions are now changed. Press R to grow the item, and E to shrink the item. Experiment with each function until you get the size that you want. When you're happy, hit the left mouse button to save your changes. And that's it. Same object, resized and rotated exactly how you want. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Fortnite creative tips.